Good morning, students. How are you? Are you fine? So in last class, I was telling about the first derivation of equation of motion, that is v equals to u plus at. You learned how to derive v equals to u plus at by using VT graph. Yes, what is VT graph? Velocity time graph. What is the meaning of velocity time graph? A graph obtained by taking velocity along y-axis and time along the x-axis, right? So today I am going to tell you about second derivation. Derive x equals to ut plus half at square. X equals to ut plus half at square by using VT graph. By using VT graph. Graphically ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, suppose ಏನಾದರೂ derive x equals to ut plus half at square graphically. Sometimes see here u is used as u is equals to v naught. It is also used for the symbol u. ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ v naught t ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. u ನ v naught ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. u ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. here x is displacement, u is initial velocity, t is time, a is acceleration, t is time. So ಇದರ derivation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಕೇಸ್ ನ ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೇಮ್ ಕೇಸ್, ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾವ ಕೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ VT ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ದ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, derivation ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Consider a body moving with uniform acceleration whose initial velocity is zero. Is not zero. Fifth case na use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Consider a body moving with, see your aim is to derive this expression x equals to ut plus half at square, where x is displacement ಅಥವಾ distance traveled ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. u is initial velocity, a is acceleration. So for this I am taking a case of body moving with uniform acceleration whose initial velocity is not zero. So what it means here, you can take the graph, same graph. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. So here O, horizon O. So this is the graph. This is the graph of a body moving with uniform acceleration whose initial velocity is not zero. So here it is having some velocity. That velocity is u, starting velocity, OA. This is B. So now join. See, for derivation purpose I am joining the lines. So O value is u, initial velocity. B, C, this is D. So here see, velocity is taken along the y-axis, time is taken along x-axis. So time, this is time. So OA is equals to BC, same u. Here this is T, here this is T. So next is, what is the value of BC? You know this one, BC is equals to B minus U. BC is equals to B minus U, right? So let u initial velocity U is initial velocity and V is final velocity. Final velocity of a body. So here main thing you require to find displacement. So directly we shall go to find the displacement. Displacement equals to, in this graph here the displacement is area under the curve AB. Area under the curve AB. This is the curve AB. What is the area below the curve AB that gives the displacement? So displacement is distance traveled. It is area under curve AB. Area under curve AB. Where is the curve AB? Here is curve AB. And what is the area? This is the area. So this triangle and this rectangle, they are the areas. So to find displacement, you must find what is the area of this triangle plus area of this rectangle. So that is area under curve AB. Here displacement is x. Let x be the displacement. X displacement of the body. X is the displacement of the body. X is the displacement of the body. U is initial velocity of the body. V is final velocity of the body. X is the displacement of the body. X equals to area under area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle. This is rectangle. Where is the rectangle? OACD. Area of rectangle OACD. Here this is triangle, this is rectangle, right? So x equals to area of triangle means 1/2 into base into height. ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ ಏನು? ತ್ರಿಭುಜದ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ 1/2 ಪಾದ into ಎತ್ತರ ಅಂತ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So area of triangle ABC is 1/2 into base. What is the base here? AC is the base. And what is the height? BC is the height. So AC into BC. AC into BC plus area of rectangle OACD. Here is the rectangle. Length into breadth. Formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. ಉದ್ದ into ಅಗಲ ಆಯತದ ವಿಸ್ತೀರ್ಣ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ದ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಉದ್ದ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಗಲ. OD into OA plus OD into OA. Right? OD into OA. So x equals to 1/2 into AC. AC nodri. Where is AC? This is AC. AC equals to OD equals to AC equals to. So see, this is equation number 1. Let us take equation number 1 in a diagram. See here, OD equals to AC. They are both equal. OD equals to AC equals to T. ಎರಡು ಏನದವ T ಅದ. Next OA ಅನ್ನೋದು DC equal. OA equals to DC equals to U. OA equals to DC equals to U. Right? Next BC equals to BD minus CD. BC equals to BD minus CD. BD is V minus CD is U. V minus U. So one becomes equation number 1 becomes equation 1 is here. X equals to 1/2 into AC. What is the plus OD. OD is T. T into OA. OA is U. OA is U. 1 by 2 into T into V minus U. See, this is equation number 2. Let us take this one as equation number 2. So using V equals to U plus AT. V equals to U plus AT, right? V equals to U plus AT. You bring U this side. V minus U equals to AT. V minus U this side. When it comes this side, V minus U equals to AT. So put V minus U equals to AT in 2. Put V minus U equals to AT in 2. X equals to 1 by 2 into T into V minus U. V minus U is AT plus UT. TU ala UT and right? X equals to UT plus half AT square. UT plus half AT square. UT plus half AT square. This is the expression for displacement of a body by using VT graph. So first kelsa eno question first kelsa what is the question given. So derive x equals to UT plus half AT square by using VT graph. This is the question. So understood. So same diagram. This is the same diagram for 3 derivations. V equals to U plus AT, x equals to UT plus half AT square, V square equals to U square plus 2AS. So same diagram barate. So same case, fifth case of VT diagram. Consider a body moving with uniform acceleration whose initial velocity is not 0. So this is the diagram. You see, you join the lines. You take this horizontal line and opposite side, adjacent side and opposite side. Give the names O, A, B, C, D. As its initial velocity is not 0, so therefore it is having some initial velocity. OA equals to U. So this is the rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides equal means OA equals to DC. U same. So here OD is x-axis. Along x-axis time is taken. Here T is the time. So same T is taken here. OD equals to AC T. So next thing here BC. How to find BC? BC equals to BD minus CD. So V minus CD. Let U initial velocity of the body, V final velocity of the body, X is displacement of the body. So displacement, how to find the displacement? So in this graph, displacement is equals to area under the curve AB. Here AB is this one. So what is the area under curve AB? Area of triangle plus area of rectangle. So X equals to area of triangle is ABC. Area of rectangle is OACD. So what is the formula for area of triangle? 1 by 2 into base into height. Here what is the base of triangle? AC. And height is BC. Plus in case of rectangle, if you consider this one as length, this is the height. Length into breadth. OD into OA. So in diagram, OD is a T, so OD equals to AC equals to T. In the OA equals to BC equals to U. So BC is equals to BD minus CD. BD minus CD equals to B minus U. So X equals to 1 by 2. I am substituting in equation number 1. 1 by 2 AC is a T into BC is a V minus U plus OD is a T there, you see there, into OA is a U. right? OA is u. So equation number 2 that is. So I am using the first derivation using v equals to u plus 80. So use v equals to u plus 80. You bring u this side, v minus u equals to 80. So v minus u equals to 80. Substitute v minus u equals to 80 in equation number 2 in this place. So here it comes 80. So 1 by x equals to 1 by 2 into t into 80 plus ut. X equals to ut plus of 80 square. This is the expression for displacement of the body by using VT graph. Next one, last one, derive v square equals to u square plus 2ax. V square equals to u square plus 2ax by using VT graph. So same procedure. Consider a body moving with uniform acceleration whose initial velocity is not zero. So draw this diagram. Same steps. T, U, BC is v minus u. So let u be the initial velocity, v is the final velocity, x is the displacement. In diagram, yes, you know that OD means this one. OD equals to AC equals to T. OD equals to AC equals to T, and OA equals to DC equals to BC equals to BD minus CD. V minus u, BD minus CD, V minus u. Right? So next case, first ಈ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾ ಏನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ಆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದ ಎರಡರಾಗೆ ಮೂರು ಅವರು ಕಂಬೈನ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ. ಎರಡೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟರ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮೂರು ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ನಿನ್ನೆದು ಒಂದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳೋರು ಯಾರು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತೀರ ಅವ್ರು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. In your textbook only 2 derivations are given, but in those 2 derivations all the 3 derivations are explained. ಮೂರನ್ನು ಎರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋರು, ಬಟ್ ಮೂರು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. using v equals to u plus 80, equation number 1. Using v equals to u plus 80, use ಮಾಡೋಣ. square on both sides of square on both sides of 1, v square u plus 80 whole square. v square equals to u square plus u plus 80 whole square. Square ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So v square equals to u square plus a square t square. ಇದು 80 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎರಡು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. a ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ t ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ plus 2u a t. See which formula I am using here? a plus b whole square. a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. a square plus b square plus 2ab. So v square equals to u square plus a square t square plus 2u at. Right? So next one, see divide and multiply. By 2. Divide and multiply by 2 in RHS. So I am dividing and multiplying to the last term of this middle term of RHS. Middle term is a square t square. For this one, so nothing will happen. u square plus 2 by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ a square t square plus 2u a t. So here 2 by 2 is 1. 2 by 2 is 2 1 2 by 2 is 1. So v square equals to u square plus v square equals to u square plus, so I want to take 280 outside, 280 from this one, from this term and last term, 280, take 280 outside. When you take 280 ಇನ್ನೇನದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 80 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. ಈಗ 80 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ a square t square ಒಂದು a ಒಂದು t ಉಳಿದಿದೆ by 2, 80 by 2 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 280 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದರೆ u ಉಳಿದಿದೆ 80 280 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ut plus of 80 square ತಗೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು ut plus of 80 square ಬರಬೇಕು ut 1 minute ut plus of 80 square. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 80 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಒಂದೇ 2a ಒಂದೇ ಬರೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ 2a ಒಂದೇ ಬರೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ you see here I am taking just 2a outside from this one. When I take 2a outside, remaining 1a ಉಳಿದಲ್ಲ t square a t square by 2 plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2a ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಳಿದು ut ಉಳಿದು. So v square equals to u square plus 2a into ut ಇದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೆಯೋಣ plus 1 by 2 at square ut plus 1 by 2 at square. So put ut plus 1 by 2 at square equals to, yes ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ut plus 1 by 2 at square ಏನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ x ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ x. So therefore v square equals to u square plus 2ax. V square equals to u square plus 2ax. This is the final derivation. So first thing ಎಲ್ಲ as is ಬರಿಬೇಕು v equals to u plus a ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ a plus b whole square ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a square v square first ಇಲ್ಲಿ v into v square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ v square plus v square equals to u square plus a square t square plus 2uat. So now divide and multiply by 2. Divide and multiply by 2 in RHS. So v square equals to u square plus, so to second term ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು 2 by 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ 2 by 2 a square t square plus 2uat. So v square equals to u square plus 2a outside ತಗೊಂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ at square by 2 plus ut ಉಳಿತದೆ 2a 2 ಇದರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿದಪ್ಪ a ಉಳಿತು t ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಉಳಿತು by 2 ಉಳಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2a ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ut ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದು ut plus 1 by 2 at square. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಶನ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ut plus 1 by 2 at square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು x ಅಂತ x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ x ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ v square equals to u square plus 2ax. This is the final expression of this derivation. So you proved v square equals to u square plus 2ax, where v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is acceleration, x is displacement. Right? So watch this video for 2 times and practice all the 3 derivations. One is v equals to u plus at, x equals to ut plus half at square, v square equals to u square plus 2as. Among these 3, one will be there for you in the final exam for 5 marks. Definite question. 100% one will be given for 5 marks. So you practice all the derivations, all the 3 derivations. 5 marks question ಒಂದು ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ 3ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಈಸಿ ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಂಥ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇರಲಿ ಯಾರೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅವರು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು, ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. This is the first 5 mark question in your syllabus. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೋದು ಈ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲೇ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ನೈಸ್ ಡೇ.